Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Edges Technology. So today I came back with another episode of STM32CubeMx series. In previous episode I taught you about how to download and install the STM32CubeMx. Today in this video we will gain the knowledge about environment and functionalities of STM32CubeMx. So let's get started. Now I will open a CubeMx. This is the first window. When we open it up, on right side it can see the check for updates where we can download and update the future updates, and in below that there is the install and remove which for software packages, and middle of that we can get the option for creating our projects like by MCU selector, by board selector, and by example selector. And above there is the file tab where we can select a new and load our old projects, and beside that there is a windows where we can select the display size, and beside that there is a help where we can check and manage setting for updates and tips regarding this software. And left side we can see the projects we made or opened past. Now I will select the board selector. Now as you can see there are many boards available. To find the specific boards we can search on commercial part number. Now I will look for the Nucleo L073RZ. Now I get our boards. By clicking on it we can see the 5 tabs on upper side. In first one, features, we can see operating frequency, inputs, outputs, and supports memory and size and etc. On right side we can see the larger picture, and again on right side we can see the user manuals, schematic pack, technicals, notes, bill of materials, and board manufacturing specifications. On right side we will move to the data sheet which can redirect to PDF. As you can see I am able to open directly datasheet of this board, and by right side clicking on buy it will redirect to the official site of STM where we can buy the directly this board. Now on clicking on left side screen there's some features which can help to filter out other boards as per our requirements. As you can see, if we want to make a project with MCU instead of boards, then we can select it from the first window, or else we can select it from the first above tab, MCU selector. As we can see there are many MCUs, and by clicking on that particular MCU we can see the footprint and the packages of that MCU, and other feature like we show in the board selector. We can also search it from for specific MCU like before, for example STM32G031C8. Now we will move to the third option, example selector. As we are seeing, there are multiple options for examples with different kind of boards. To search particular example, for now I am searching GPIO. As you can see, there are multiple options like GPIO toggles and other examples. Now I am selecting GPIO external interrupt. Now we can see all the GPIO external interrupt example with different kind of board. We can also filter it out by searching our specific required board. Now I am searching Nucleo C031. We get the particular example for that board directly, and we can here also open example directly from here. Now we will move to the cross selector, which is very useful. For example, now I am select NXP and one of his MCU. It will compare all the MCU with STM and show us the how much percentage it will match with our previous NXP MCU. And it also right side we can also show the comparison in between them, which is very helpful to move from another MCU to the STM MCU. We can also search the particular MCU for STM also, and we can cross compare it with different kind of different MCU types like STM. If we compare the STM G0 to the STM F0, we can get the how much percentage it will common, and we can get the comparison of it. Now I will move to the board selector. Now I will click on the start project and choose the default peripheral initializations. As you can see, all the peripherals are initialized, and we have the pinout and configuration, in which we have the connectivity, timer and analog etc, and we have another clock configuration, projects manager, tools. So before generating the initial code for our projects, we need to understand about all the other things here, which takes more time. So I will cover it in this and next video, so stay tuned for next update. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the information, then like, share and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.